Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame because we have NFP news today. And NFP news is normally a really big news event, normally does cause some pretty decent moves. Now, I still think this whole move down is just a wave one on the daily, weekly time frame, the wave one of a big downtrend on the monthly. Most wave ones don't normally end until you get a break of structure, which we still do not have yet. I still think that this potentially could go down and take out this low right here before it would get that significant turn up. Now that doesn't mean that today, maybe even for a week or so, we might not get a counter trend move. I just think that potentially the trend is still going to be down and that the daily is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, at least to finish off what I think is a wave one on the monthly time frame. So keeping all that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have a really, really hard time justifying going long on any of the dollar pairs or going long on the dollar itself because the daily is still down, the weekly is still down, and the monthly is still down. Anything I see to the upside, I'm still kind of assuming is very likely just a sorting opportunity. If we, even this big move we had up the other day, I mean, even if you went short there, that would have been okay. That would have been okay. This would have been great. This would have been great. This would have been amazing. Even if it does go up again, I'm still going to be trying to go short because the higher time frames are still telling me that shorts are the primary direction that we should be trading in. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.